What's going on, YouTube? You're watching ExquisiteMAD. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Today I'm in the Garden District of New Orleans, about ready to start on this Porsche Panamera. And as you can see, it is in need of some desperate and much needed TLC. Some much needed real cleaning and real detailing. As you can see, this is a gorgeous vehicle. So going to get straight into it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications. And if you're interested in getting your automobile or aircraft detailed, please contact ExquisiteMAD at 1-800-292-2341. Thanks, and appreciate all the support.
Better get back to your senses. I stay strapped, I'm never defenseless. I told you little niggas is senseless. Fucking with me is like fucking with Kenchi. A couple of swores and I'm killing your henchmen. Jump out the bushes like O.J. Simpson. I'm finna heat rock with the jeans, YG, Nikes, white tees, and black surgery box. Dreadlocks, we side chopper under the backseat, bounce back cause them hoes like the pussy pop. You know how we rock. I'm killing the game, got these motherfuckers in pussy mode. Talking slick about they pussy hole. Catch a nigga slipping my trigger finger itching and get your bullet holes. So slow your roll, shaggy. You know we up in this bitch like crabs in the pot. But my barrel is hot, nigga, so don't give me advice. This is my advice. I'm Ray Rice when I'm fucking your wife. Everybody wanna get into this game, but you gotta love this game. While I'm spitting that I'm giving you life, killing you twice. I'm stuck in the trenches, gotta get out these trenches. Can't get out these trenches, but I'm stuck in these trenches. I'm stuck in these trenches, gotta get out these trenches.
Slow it down a little bit.
Can't get out these trenches.
Yeah, I miss you, baby. Things they gotta change. I'm focused on to get this loot and handling my biz all the time. You know what the fuck I'ma do. Me and my dog Fatal gotta keep it real. You know one thing, we gon' deal with anything that come around here. Trippin', we got Glocks, we got AKs and 45. If you come around and slippin', your bitch ass gon' die. And to my baby mama, I ain't with all the drama. I'm just stacking my paper up to leave my daughter commas. I was broke so long, bitch, I was down bad. Only thing that I had was the Lord and I held his hand. I'm never gonna change, on my people, no never. I'm so fucking clever, I keep that fucking metal.
I'm stuck in these trenches, gotta get out these trenches. Can't get out these trenches, but I'm stuck in these trenches.